Best places to sell your stuff online for free. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 1. Shopify. Starting an online store with Shopify is a great idea. The software has excellent customer service and is user-friendly for beginners. Additionally, you can customize your store with various Shopify apps. Number 2. Amazon. Sellers on Amazon are regularly verified to prevent counterfeit products from appearing on their marketplace. Moreover, it has earned customers' trust by consistently delivering what they need on time. Finally, people prefer it because it offers a wide variety of online shopping options. Number 3. eBay. Since 1995, eBay has been the online selling platform of choice. eBay is a powerful selling platform that you can't deny. The list of items you can sell on eBay is almost endless, so there's no doubt that eBay is your best option if you wish to sell unusual items. Number 4. VarageSale. VarageSale is an online marketplace based in Toronto that was started by a former elementary school teacher disappointed with the scams and bogus listings on classified sites. To ensure merchants use real profile images, names, and personal bios, the site requires sellers to create a verified Facebook account. Number 5. Etsy. This is the place where you can sell handmade items, artwork, collectibles, and antiques. Based on the site's annual sales of $4.97 billion in 2019, Etsy has established itself as an attractive online marketplace. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.